Hi everyone, good day. It's me once again, Mr. Wendell Turay, and welcome to my channel. Yay! So, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my future videos. And if you have some comments and clarifications and questions, you may comment down below. Today, we are living in a fast-paced world. Everything is instant, right? Let's say, for example, in school, in as much as we would like to submit documents and pictures, but we don't have the luxury of time. That is why, for this day, I will be teaching you on how to print your pictures or your documents without using any laptop. Only your cell phone and your printer. Step number 1. Let's go to Play Store and let's search for the application called Nokoprint. As for me, I have installed this application 3 days ago, and the good thing about this application is that it automatically searches for your printer's model. Need not for you to install the kind of printer to your cell phone. So let's try to open the application, and you have there photos, documents, and web pages. It depends upon the kind of document or pictures that you want to print. Step number 2. You should have your printer's USB cable and your USB OTG. By the way, what is the meaning of USB OTG? Universal Serial Bus on the Go. So all you have to do is just to lock it like this.
Oh no!
Insert this one to your on the go. So there. After, you have to insert this one to your phone's charging port. This one. So you will insert this to your phone's charging port. Step number 3. Of course, we have to turn on our printer. As for me, I am using Epson L3110. Let's do the printing. So let's go to our Nokoprint application and let's click document and let's search for the kind of document that we want to print. So as for me, I would like to print the certificate from Vibal, and of course we can adjust the size of paper over here, and after that let's click print. So it's starting to print. Let's try to wait for a little bit. Let's switch to our printer if it is really starting. Oh, there you go, it's starting to print, folks. And let's try to see our app if it reaches to 100, and of course finish printing or finish printing job. There you go. There you have it, folks. If it works for you, it's my great pleasure to help. And if you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up and put some comments over there. Thank you very much. Bye.